Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an internship character reference letter. What is an internship character reference letter? An internship character reference letter is a formal document written by a mentor, supervisor, or professional associate to vouch for an individual's character, work ethic, and potential as they apply for an internship. This letter highlights the candidate's personal qualities, such as integrity, reliability, teamwork, and professional skills, providing insight into their suitability for the role. The goal is to support the candidate's application by offering an endorsement based on first-hand experience with their abilities and character, thereby increasing their chances of being selected for the internship. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an internship character reference letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, write the sender's information. This includes your full name, your job title, as well as your company name. And don't forget to write the full address of your company. You can also add email address and phone number for contact information. After that, write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, day, and year. For the next, write the recipient's information. You must provide the details of the person or committee receiving the letter. Therefore, you need to write their full name. Write also their job title and company name. And yes, write their full address as well, by mentioning the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. You can also write a subject line which is a clear and concise statement explaining the letter's purpose. But this is optional. You can simply write, character reference letter for, followed by the applicant's full name. And now, you can open the letter with a formal salutation. You can write Dear, followed by the name of the recipient. In the paragraph 1, this is for introduction and relationship to applicant. You need to introduce yourself by stating your position and the relationship you have with the applicant, like supervisor, mentor, and so on. You need to establish your connection to the applicant and why you are qualified to write the reference. And here is the example. I am writing to provide a character reference for Emily Thompson, who has expressed interest in the internship position at the Tech Future Leaders program at TechCorp Incorporate. And then, state the purpose of the letter by providing a character reference for the internship position. You need to clearly communicate the reason for writing. You may write it this way. As a senior software engineer at NextGen Innovations, LLC, I have known Emily for 2 years as her mentor and advisor. And you can then include how long you've known the applicant. It will add depth to your relationship with the applicant, and shows that you've observed their character and abilities over a significant period. If you have no idea what to write, you may copy this. It is with great pleasure that I vouch for her character, work ethic, and potential as an intern in your esteemed program. In the paragraph 2, this is where you write about applicants' professional qualities. Yes, describe the applicant's professional strengths, such as their commitment to learning, problem-solving, or leadership skills. Here, you need to demonstrate how the applicant stands out professionally. For example Emily has demonstrated exceptional qualities that make her an ideal candidate for your internship program. And you can elaborate more by writing, she exhibits a strong commitment to learning, a natural curiosity, and a genuine passion for software development. Not only that, it will be perfect if you provide a specific example of a project or task the applicant successfully handled, showcasing their skills. Of course, you need to back up general statements with evidence, making the reference more credible. Here is the example how you write it. For instance, Emily initiated and led a project to develop a mobile app for local community services, which significantly improved the efficiency of volunteer coordination and resource distribution. In the paragraph 3, this is where you elaborate the applicant's character. You can start by highlighting the applicant's personal traits, like their integrity, work ethic, or reliability. It should offer a deeper look into the applicant's character, giving insight beyond professional skills. And here is the example. Beyond her academic and extracurricular achievements, Emily is known for her integrity, reliability, and positive attitude. And explain how the applicant approaches challenges or collaborates with others. Show how they handle teamwork and overcome obstacles, which is essential for an intern. You may write it like this. She consistently approaches challenges with a solution-oriented mindset, and is always willing to go the extra mile to achieve excellence. Don't hesitate to elaborate more by writing. Her ability to work collaboratively, coupled with her effective communication skills, enables her to contribute positively to team environments. In the paragraph 4, it is social and emotional qualities. Here, you need to discuss the applicant's empathy, respect for diversity, and interpersonal skills. By doing so, demonstrate how the applicant interacts in group settings, particularly in diverse environments. You may write it like this. Furthermore, Emily's empathetic nature and respect for diversity make her a valued member of any community. And then, explain how these qualities contribute to creating an inclusive and supportive team environment. You must highlight the applicant's emotional intelligence and ability to maintain healthy work relationships. For example she actively seeks to understand varying perspectives and is committed to fostering inclusive and supportive spaces. In the paragraph 5, write alignment with the internship program. You have to connect the applicant's interests and skills to the specific internship program they are applying for. It will show the recipient why the applicant is a good fit for this particular internship. And you may write it like this. I am confident that Emily Thompson's dedication, skills, and character traits will allow her to make a significant contribution to the Tech Future Leaders program at TechCorp Incorporate. And then, you can also explain how the internship program aligns with the applicant's goals and future aspirations. Demonstrates how the applicant will benefit from the internship, making it a mutually beneficial opportunity. For example her enthusiasm for software development and eagerness to learn and grow within a professional setting make her an outstanding candidate for your program. In the paragraph 6, write your contact information for further questions or clarification. You need to show that you are open to follow-up inquiries, providing the recipient with an avenue for further discussion. You can write your phone number and email address. For example please do not hesitate to contact me at 404-555-0214, or michael.anderson@nextgeninnovations.com, should you require any further information or wish to discuss Emily's qualifications and character in more detail. Not only that, you can also reaffirm your support for the applicant, summarizing their strengths and why they are an ideal candidate. You can provide a final, strong endorsement for the applicant by writing like, I strongly endorse Emily Thompson for the internship position, and believe she will exceed your expectations. In the last paragraph, thank the recipient for their time and consideration. You can simply write, thank you for considering this character reference. And then, conclude with a positive statement regarding the applicant's future success and integration into the program. You should end the letter on a strong note, affirming your belief in the applicant's potential. You may write, I look forward to Emily's successful integration into your program and her future achievements. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. Write also your job title and name of the company as well. So, that's how you write an internship character reference letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.